Hey, what's up, Facebook family? We are here. This is episode, what, 15?
15, baby. 15.
Made
How about
it to
that?
15. A lot of energy coming from this side of the table. I like it.
Yes.
This is only my first cup of coffee this morning.
Yes.
So.
I think I've had 7, but anyway,
there you
who's
go.
counting?
There you go. Up and at 'em. So, hey, it's J. Crew right here and his Buster Pipes right there. We've got an action-packed episode. We're kind of bouncing some ideas back and forth. Of course, heading into this, we want to make sure that we give you as much good content as possible, but also speak to what's going on with relevancy in your world. I know in ours, sports is always on the forefront of our brain.
Of course,
a couple of big things have happened in the last couple of days. First and foremost, Auburn University President Jay Gouge,
what a great name.
really just stuck his neck out there and said to a bunch of incoming freshmen, we will be playing football this fall.
Come on.
So if only he was the only decision maker in that, I would take his word for it.
That's
but
right.
Who knows what's going to happen there. Speaking of football, your Alabama Crimson Tide have attempted to boot USC off the schedule to start the season, try to pick up TCU instead.
I mean, just having a plan for what if, you know.
Yeah, no one really knows, but hey, the stars appear to be aligning, not only in college football, but there's a lot of big talks, maybe an 82-game shortened season in the Major League Baseball League. So, of course, Birmingham Barons, we want you guys to come back as soon as possible. We want to give away some free tickets.
That's right.
And so we want the Birmingham Barons to come back as soon as possible, too. So some things are starting to line up. And seeing a lot fewer Murder Hornet posts on Facebook.
Yes.
Maybe that's died off.
Thank goodness.
So, yeah, the clouds are opening for us.
We may have scared them away with our video last week.
Potentially. So guys, hey, we've got, again, a few things we want to hit on. First and foremost, our sanitization, our cleaning process inside of your businesses, that's something that we are still continuing to do. I just want to make a quick mention of that because, again, a lot of businesses are opening back up. I know a lot of churches will resume their normal Sunday activities. So it is a no-hassle process. Trust me when I tell you, we need 4 pieces of information, just some numbers, some dates, some times. We can get a price back to you. Again, no hassle, no cost to you. And so please let us know. It's 205-664-6770. Call us anytime. We can get that process started for you. But hey, we also, again, with the theme of getting back to normal, we also are going to be, again, accepting applications and starting the in-person interview process. So tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, really excited. Heard some news this week that we're going to be resuming taking in-house applications, in-person interviews this Friday, today. So really excited about that. Look, if you've been inspired by what you've seen here, or you've been affected,
inspired is a great word,
by the shutdown, come see us at SERVPRO and see what a career in SERVPRO is like. You never know. You may wind up on camera. You may wind up, wearing a ball cap. You just never know. Yeah. I mean, the bottom line is we have something for everybody. We're always looking for good people. So come see us at 2000 Huntley Parkway today.
That's right. Now, speaking of in-person, we are chomping at the bit to come out to your offices. We're very excited to begin some more of those in-person. I've sent about as many emails and text messages and phone calls as I can, so I'm ready to see some more people.
Me too.
But having said that, please understand we are in all of Jefferson and Shelby County. And so we understand that Birmingham City may be playing ball a little bit differently than Alabaster. We understand all of that. But our biggest message to you, our COIs, is that it is your office, it is your house, and so we're going to play by your rules. If you're not seeing anybody until June, we'll see you in June. If you want us to wear a mask throughout our visit, we'll just talk a little bit louder and we'll have masks on. Whatever it is that makes you and your customers feel the most comfortable, we're going to respect your space and respect your time like we always have.
Yeah, that's right.
I know that's one of the hallmarks. I know that in my offices, even prior to me being the sales and marketing rep in their office, they've always said SERVPRO has always been very respectful of my space and my time. If they see me on the phone, if they see 2 or 3 customers waiting to speak to me, we carry on. We'll see you again next week. We'll circle back. And so that will not change going forward. Again, if you are welcoming guests, we'll be as safe and respectful of that as possible. But if you want to wait till June, want to wait till later, again, it's your office, your rules. So, but regardless,
good stuff,
I will tell you, very, very excited to kind of get, I feel, it's been 2 months now.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Well, you remember how what I said the very first week we were here was it's killing me.
You almost gnawed all your fingernails off.
I mean, I did, man. I
did.
I was able to get a haircut. I'm married to a hairstylist, so that helps. But but the bottom line is that we're ready to get back to some sense of normalcy and help people again.
That's right. Very excited to do that. So hey, if we can help you right now, just understand that you can call us anytime, day or night, at 205-664-6770. Hopefully you never need us. That's the message I share with a lot of my customers and a lot of my clients, is hopefully you never need us, but we are ready at a moment's notice as soon as you do. So call us anytime, day or night. But hey, excited to see you guys again next Friday. Maybe there's some more breaking news in the sports world. But regardless, we're going to bring you some relevant content and have fun doing it. But hey, if you need us at any time, you can
call us, Birmingham.